I'd like to welcome you to the OnX Off-Road Rugged Adventures, Colorado Edition. Full operation. So cool. This is Bishop's Castle. Oh, look at that. Which is awesome because we're going to enjoy what I think is one of the craziest natural wonders of the world. Look at that rain coming. Big dunes, big storm.
Big adventure.
In case you're wondering, that's the 4th tallest peak in Colorado right there. And we have a pretty prime camping spot all to ourselves. This is definitely, like I said, one of Colorado's deadliest trails and completely worthy of an OnX Off-Road Rugged Adventure. That's a 1,000-foot cliff edge.
That was big.
So when OnX Off-Road reached out to me and said, we want you to build a rugged adventure route for your native-born state of Colorado, I knew it had to be something epic. So I designed a route that should fulfill any outdoor enthusiast or off-roader's wildest dreams, because this video is gonna have everything. And by everything, I mean everything. We're gonna have mountains, we're gonna have lakes and streams, we're gonna have creek crossings, we're gonna have historic mining buildings, ghost towns, waterfalls, dirt roads, rock crawling, camping, castles, sand dunes, and even so much more. Maybe even fire-breathing dragons. All in one epic adventure route video. What is that?